What's going on? I know it's been many moons, but this was kind of impromptu and thought I'd take you guys along with me, so enjoy. We just had some crazy wind blow through here. So crazy, I'm rocking the old Marine Corps issue iPro, because yeah, literally that bad. Stick you to the window. But the network went down and I need to go see if the damn tower is still there. Because there were a few freaking gusts there that, no shit, were probably 50 miles an hour or so. It's pretty damn crazy. I tried to put the Raptor in the garage and the Raptor does not fit in the garage. So the Raptor stays outside, unfortunately. Really thought this monsoon shit was done for the year, damn it. I'm sick of it. Live in fucking tropical Phoenix now. Okay, so fingers crossed that the damn tower didn't blow away. My antenna's still on the house, so that's good. Look how windy. Jeez. You can't really see from there. Let me move you. There we go. Now you can see how crazy windy it is. Damn A-pillar was blocking it a minute ago. It is stupid windy. Run out, dog. Rain is supposedly coming as well. Yeah, very over it this year. This year's been a stupid rainy year. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see. It's so damn dusty I can't even see really. I still see it. Thank God. That would be really bad if the tower blew down. That being said, if the tower doesn't blow down with this kind of wind, I'm pretty confident that it'll weather most of anything the weather out here could throw at it. So, knock on wood, of course. I don't have to dodge potholes in this. My other cars, I'm always dodging these potholes and stuff. Watch out, quail. This, you just run it over. I'll show you guys the truck at the end of the video, if anyone's interested. It's our most recent addition. Alrighty, so let's make sure all my radios are still there. Yep, so one of my sub-60s, got the sector, got another sector, got another sector on the top, got my 60 there. This 60 is for another subscriber. It clearly blew and moved. And then my 5 gig backup right there. So everything's here, but you can hear the wind. Good Lord. Look at all the dust. It's like freaking Afghanistan. Jeez. Good Lord. And yes, these are what I wore in Afghanistan, so it's fitting. Yeah, this is the truck. 2016 F-150 Raptor. My wife's old truck was literally the truck she learned how to drive stick on when she was a kid. Her dad bought it new umpteen years ago, and we ended up with it because she needed a truck to tow the horses. So she'd been using it for years, since we bought the house. Yeah, so years. It was like, 10-year anniversary. Happy anniversary, babe. I'm very happy to see that the damn tower didn't blow away. That's very good. Yet. Again, knock on wood. I love how this thing has cameras everywhere. It makes backing up real easy. That over. Whoa. Over. I'm used to driving sports cars, so this thing's kind of amusing sometimes. I feel like I'm driving my car from the roof, though. It sits up so damn high. You guys didn't tell me I had my damn sunglasses on top of the goggles. Threw the goggles on so damn quick, my glasses were on top of my head. I thought they were still there. Nope, they were on top of the goggles, so I look like an idiot. Oh well, wouldn't be the first time, sure won't be the last. Why are you going so slow, dude? Good lord. Thought he was turning. Turbos. I'm gonna put up a video about my other latest acquisition soon. Hopefully. It also has turbos. Yes. Why the hell are your flashers on? Who knows? People do weird stuff. I get home just in time for the network to be back up. Kind of. Sort of. Focus. Focus, GoPro. Come on, GoPro. I expected more out of you. You're brand new. This is how strong the wind was. It didn't just blow the trash can over. It actually scooched it through the rocks and scooped up some rocks. Really, really windy. Yeah, quite a day. Glad everything worked out all right. And to all my Florida homies, hope you guys are all right, because I know it's windy and kind of shitty here, but a little windier and a whole lot shittier there. But I did get to learn what a swaying tower looks like with 60 gig. Because 60 gig radios are so focused, they're so precise or whatever, you know, they're really finicky as far as how they're aimed. When the tower sways, you can actually see it. So that was kind of amusing, I guess, sort of. But all the weather kind of blew by us. We amazingly didn't get any rain here of any real substance, but all over the valley the next morning, they were showing like 50, 60 mile an hour winds in some places. And I seriously thought it hit like probably 40 or 50 miles an hour here. It was nuts. I heard shit on my patio start flying around, and I'm like, what is going on outside? I look outside, and no joke, my damn ladder, which is like a 8-foot ladder, flung all the way into the backyard. I was like, what? All the horse pins and stuff in the backyard, all the fence posts, or the fence panels, they all got moved. Each one of these things is like 150 pounds or so. They all got moved. It was nuts. So yeah, really, really windy. Definitely not as windy as Florida. Hope you guys all the best. Other than that, you know, everything worked out all right here. So, hey, you know, like, share, sub, all that happy horse shit. Later.